Hey everybody, in this video we are going to verify the example you see on your screen now. 1 plus tangent squared theta u whatever times 1 minus sine squared theta u whatever you have it allegedly equals 1, and it's our job right now to verify this. So before we get started, I'm just going to take a second and I'm going to write out the trig identities we're going to be referring to, Pythagorean identities, on the side. So we should know these by heart. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1 is one that we're going to be referencing. And another one will be tangent squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta. So we're going to look at both of these right here. Now, this one, commutative property, really doesn't matter which way you look at it. Tangent squared plus 1 plus tangent squared, it equals secant squared. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this with secant squared theta. And then this over here, it takes a little bit of reworking on that side. And this side equals 1. We leave that alone. If I rearrange just a smidge and I subtract sine squared theta from both sides, you have that cosine squared equals the 1 minus sine squared theta. So I can replace this with cosine squared theta. Next up, I'm on my way to proving it's 1. Secant squared could be rewritten as 1 over cosine squared theta using reciprocal identities times, and cosine squared theta could stay the way it is. You don't have to change everything every time, equals 1. That's really over 1, but you don't need to write it. These can reduce because if you wanted, I guess you could write it like this first, which either way is equal to 1. So 1 equals 1, and we are done. I hope that that example was plenty logical to you. If you feel good about it, feel free, give that video a thumbs up so I know you feel confident. If not, give the video a thumbs down. If you hate the video, hate the example, hate me, put a thumbs down. My feelings won't be hurt. It's all good. If I made a mistake or you did it differently, feel free to tell me in the comments below. Click through for the next example on this playlist, and I hope you're feeling smarter right now. Adios.